This is a Chucky Beat production.
Stuck in the garage tonight, doing some work on the 3000 GT. So I decided to finish some welding that I had started on. Got my antenna hole welded up and 2 spoiler holes welded up, so I got a couple more to do. And then I can start on I got a couple holes in the hood I got to fill in. I start on some body work. So yeah, this is where I'm at right now. That's the spoiler, or that's the antenna hole, and then a couple spoiler holes here filled in, and then I got that middle one, the middle 3 there, and then 2 more over there to fill in. And then I got a couple more here in the hood I'm gonna fill in. So a long time ago I drilled some holes in the hood to find center, and then decided not to do what I was gonna do. So now I just gotta weld these little bitty holes up. So you can see here, they're tiny little hole there and one there. There's a couple through there I gotta weld up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna weld up these two for the windshield squirters, because I removed all that stuff a long time ago. I was in the battery box, I wanted to clean it all up, so I removed all that. So I don't even use those anymore. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna work on tonight. See what else, how far I get on that. And then I'm either gonna start on body filler to clean all that up, because I started on this Evil Eye here. It wasn't very smooth to begin with whenever I did the carbon fiber wrap. You won't be able to tell in the camera just because the color of it, but it's not very level at all. You can kind of see a lump there maybe, yeah. So I'm trying to get all this back smooth again, so I'm going to grind all that down. I got all this grinded out already, so I'm going to go back and level it back out with some new body filler, some good stuff. Stuff I was using was just cheap Bondo. So I'm gonna do that, get all that fixed, and then so yeah, either gonna start on some body filler, or I might start on some more flare work. So we'll see. I really want to try to fit the flares before I plastic dip the car, but I don't really have to, because I gotta plastic dip the car without the flares anyways, and then dip the flares later. Because if I do it with the flares on, then there'll be spots where I don't get plastic dip, or I don't get it, fully covered. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be working on. So let's go ahead and let's get started.
Chucky Beat.
grinding done on the Evil Eyes, so I can get working on that, getting some body filler in there and getting back smooth again. So yeah, here, give you a look at what I got going on. So I got all these, focus. Got these little bitty holes filled in, nice and smooth. You can see in the video, I got all this kind of grinded down, start fresh, give me somewhere that I can actually fill in and make it flat again. I decided not to go ahead and fill these in. I'm just gonna put the squirters back in just in case I do ever decide to go back to those. I can always use something else to pump those up maybe. But I did get the rear all done. Got the antenna filled in. I got these filled in. I got these 3 filled in. Ground down smooth. This one and that one. So now all I gotta do, oh yeah, look at that kit. Work on that soon. Stay tuned for that. That's gonna be awesome. So yeah, now all I gotta do is mix up some filler. So yeah, next weekend I'll probably start working on the body filler and all that, getting that all smoothed out. So yeah, I got this one. This one's actually been on for a little while. Got it all, like I said, deep and smooth and all that, so I can get something to fill in there and make this level. That was the problem before. I got in a hurry. I was like, the wrap will cover it up, and it covered most of it up, but if you look, you can see it all bumpy and wavy and look like crap up close. So I'm gonna try to make that right. So yeah, that's what I got done so far tonight, and that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you need to do, and appreciate it. See y'all later.